Ambassadors Television. It's another wonderful week of learning and fun. In the last class, we had a wonderful fun in learning new things. We started with intonation, where we were told that intonation is the rise and fall of one voice when speaking. We also talked about the five tones we have in English language, which are the rising tone, the falling tone, the rise forward tone, the fall rise tone, and the level tone. And we started with the first tone in English language, which is the what? The rising tone. We had 6 uses of the rising tone for last week. And for this week, without wasting time, we'll be moving on to the word, the second tone in English language, and that will be the word, the falling tone. In English language, the falling tone is the second tone we have in English language. And under the falling tone, we have 3 good uses of the falling tone. They are, number 1, for command. That is to say, we use our falling tone for command. And our command is split into 2. We have 2 types of command in English language. The first one is the polite command, and the second one is the sharp command. Now, the 2 types of command we have in English language are the sharp and the polite command. Now the question is, what's the difference between the sharp and the polite command? For the sharp command, this is the kind of command that the person you're commanding is aware of what you're saying. You're commanding the person is fully aware that you're commanding him or her. It's like a do or die affair. The person has no any other option than to do what? Than to obey. While for the polite command, the person you're commanding might be aware or not that you're actually what? Commanding him or her. And so the person could choose to what? To obey or not. Especially when you use the magic word, please. Examples of such commands are, the first one for the sharp command. The sharp command, you could say, shut the door at once. Shut the door at once. That is a sharp command. The person has no option than to obey and shut the door. While for the polite command, you could say, please shut the door. Please shut the door. And so the person could choose to do what? To obey and shut the door or not. Now for the second use of the rise of falling tone, we use our falling tone for exclamation. We have question like, what a good result? What a good result? And the third one is for WH questions. Questions like, what's your name? Who are you? Where is your father? Those are WH questions. So these are the 3 uses of the falling tone. We'll quickly run through them again. For command, and don't forget the command is split into 2. The sharp and the polite command. The second one, exclamation, and the third use of the falling tone is for WH question. It's English Ambassadors Television once again. Don't forget to do it. To always like, subscribe to our videos so that you will be the first to always see when to upload new videos. And also, for this week, the question for this week is, what are the 3 uses of the falling tone? Thank you very much. It's Mrs. Happiness again. See you next week.